Again, off my phone, I'm doing a quick review for you guys. Just got these. Pretty sick. See the Vans bag, whatever. I just got it in person. I usually order these. Chukka Del Barco, Cali, 2011, right? Got it 8.5, 8.5. Black on black. There's other colors. There's a navy one, navy and white. There's white and gray. But these, there's black and white, of course. Check them out. If you like the Chukka Del Barcos, definitely gonna like these. Alright, let me put it on for you. See what it looks like with jeans on. It's not laced up or anything, but pretty sick. Or if you wear it with like shorts, let's see, it'll look something like that. Of course, I'm not wearing shorts there, and I'm not even prepared. So I would wear like shorter socks, probably the no-show socks or any socks. Like pretty much works. They're pretty nice. Check them out. Again, let me show you the name. I'm doing this off my phone, so